Namaskar and good morning to all viewers and friends. I would like to welcome you all on our Kids Magical Learning YouTube channel. This is 15 video of vocabulary marathon. Today's words are renovation, requirement, value, acceptance, and acknowledgement. In this video we will explain meaning of these words in English and Marathi language. Also we will show how this word are used in any sentence. So, let's start with our 15 video. First word is renovation. Meaning is to make the things in better state. In Marathi, meaning of renovation is use of word in sentence. To make the things in better state. Second word is requirement. Meaning is things that need. In Marathi, meaning of requirement is use of word in sentence. The requirement for this job position is a bachelor's degree in a relevant field. Third word is value. Meaning is usefulness of something. In Marathi, meaning of value is use of word in sentence. The value of honesty cannot be overstated in building trust and strong relationships. Fourth word is acceptance. Meaning is accepting something. In Marathi, meaning of acceptance is use of word in sentence. Acceptance is a key ingredient for leading a peaceful and content life. Fifth word is acknowledgement. Meaning is existence of something. In Marathi, meaning of acknowledgement is use of word in sentence. I sent an email to my colleague to acknowledge receipt of their report. Thanks for watching the video till the end. We will meet soon with new English words.